Facing Your Fears, a guide to understanding and overcoming them. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches all of our lives, facing our fears. Whether it's fear of the unknown, fear of failure, or any other type of fear, understanding what it means to face these fears is crucial in our journey of personal growth and language learning. So, let's explore together how facing our fears can lead to new opportunities and a stronger self. Facing your fears means confronting those things that scare you, rather than avoiding them. It involves recognizing your fears, understanding why they exist, and then taking deliberate steps to overcome them. This process is important because it helps you grow stronger, become more resilient, and opens up new possibilities that were previously blocked by fear. Facing your fears is crucial for several reasons. Personal growth. Overcoming fears pushes you out of your comfort zone, leading to personal development. Increased confidence. Each fear faced and overcome boosts your confidence in handling challenging situations. Reduced anxiety. Confronting fears can decrease the power they have over you, reducing overall anxiety levels. Opportunity for success. Many times, our fears stand in the way of opportunities. By facing them, you unlock potential for success in various aspects of life, including learning new languages. 1. Identify your fears. Start by clearly defining what scares you. Writing them down can be very helpful. 2. Understand your fears. Try to understand why these fears exist. Is it past experiences, lack of information, or something else? 3. Small steps. Begin with small, manageable steps. For example, if you're afraid of speaking English, start with speaking a few words, then sentences, and gradually move to conversations. 4. Seek support. You don't have to do it alone. Friends, family, or professionals can offer support and guidance. 5. Celebrate progress. Recognize and celebrate every victory over your fears, no matter how small. Fear of making mistakes. This is common among language learners. Facing this fear involves accepting mistakes as part of the learning process and seeing them as opportunities to improve. Fear of speaking. Practice speaking in safe environments, like language exchange meetups, where mistakes are expected and welcomed as part of learning. Facing your fears is a powerful step towards not just improving your language skills, but enhancing your life in general. It's about understanding your fears, confronting them head-on, and ultimately, transforming them into stepping stones towards your goals. Remember, every great journey begins with the courage to take the first step. We hope this video has inspired you to take that step and face your fears with confidence. Thanks for watching, and we wish you success in your journey of personal growth and language learning.